Hello my lovely ones, in this video we have just brought you 3 different questions under inequalities and you're going to love it. Just make sure you watch to the ending. Now the first one says we should solve for x here, which is 3x minus 4 greater than 8. Here it is. Let us solve the first one. The first one, what do we have? We have 3x minus 4 greater than what? 8. Now what are we going to do first of all? We have 3x, we are collecting like them now, then greater than 8. We take this minus 4 to meet 8 here, it becomes plus 4. So we have 3x, so greater than 8 plus 4, that gives us what? 12. So divide both sides by 3, 3 take away 3, so x is now equals to 3 goes here is 1, 3 in 12, that gives us 4. So x is equals to 4. No, x is greater than 4. That is for question 1. Then the second one says 1 over 2 in bracket x plus 3 less than 3. So what do we do? First of all, the first thing we are going to do here, we are going to clear the bracket, clear the fraction rather. To clear the fraction, we are going to multiply before the lesser than sign and after the lesser than sign with 2. So we have 1 over 2 multiply 2. Then we have a bracket x plus 3, close the bracket, less than 3. Okay, now we can now say 1 over 2. Okay, 2 can cancel out 2, right? So you are left with 1. 1 multiply x plus 3, close the bracket, less than 3 times, okay, times 2, right? So 3 times 2 give us what? Going to give us 6. Okay, so let us open this bracket with 1. 1 multiply x, that gives us x plus 3 less than 6. So we have x, we have to collect like them. X is less than 6. When this comes here, the sign becomes negative 3. So x is now less than 6 minus 3, that gives us 3. So that is the answer for this. So let us move to the third one. This third one, you can pause and solve it yourself before watching this video. This third one, there's something I want to insert to you, want to bring to your notice. Let us solve together if you are solving with me. Which says x plus 3 less than or equal to 4x, right? So what do we do? Let us collect like them. We have x, we are bringing 4x to meet this what? We are bringing 4x to meet this x. We have x minus 4x. So we are taking 3 over here. We now have less than or equal to minus 3. There's something I want to tell you concerning this. Just stick to watch to the end. We have x, okay, x minus 4x, that gives us minus 3x less than or equal to minus 3. Now, whenever you are dividing with a negative sign, or you are multiplying with a negative sign in inequality, you switch the signs. So we are going to have, because here we are looking for x, right? So we say divide both sides by minus 3. Okay, therefore we are now going to have minus 3x less than or equal to minus 3. So to the both side, minus take away minus, 3 take away 3, x, okay, divide both sides by minus 3, divide both sides by minus 3. So we are now going to have minus 3x. So the sign is not going to change. The sign is going to change to what? To greater than or equal to minus 3. Okay, so divide both sides by minus 3. Don't forget, formerly we have less than or equal to, now we are having greater than or equal to. So this minus 3 take away, okay, minus 3, x is now greater than or equal to minus 3 goes here 1, minus 3 goes here 1. So we are left with what? With 1. So this becomes our final answer for this, and for this, and for this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to follow for more. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.